Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight, I have an odd video, but it's going to be interesting, so stick around. You understand me? If you didn't know, Kobalt came out with a, whatever this is called, upright cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, I picked it up out of sheer morbid curiosity. Now, go over the specs real quick, and then we'll, couple clips of it in action. There's some really good pros, and there's a couple cons. All right? So, hop right into it. Get the whole kit at Lowe's. I'm not gonna see how much it costs. Look it up yourself. It's a sticker shock, so it's about the price of a Dyson. And on the box right here it says 80-minute runtime. It comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, right? I have a 4 on here. 80-minute runtime must be with some car battery hooked up to it on ultra low mode. It has 3 modes. It has eco mode. It has to be an eco mode. The 80-minute runtime with like a 50-amp-hour battery or something. Standard auto mode, it's cool. It transitions, say you're going from the kitchen to the carpet. It works really good on hardwood floors. Transition to the carpet. Then it has turbo mode. Now, turbo mode is where it's at. If you're gonna vacuum, you gotta use turbo mode. You have want the most power, right? So, guess how much the runtime is on turbo mode with 2-amp-hour battery? Go ahead, I'll wait. Go ahead. Yes. So we got 80 minutes, it says. Then 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes even? 4 effing minutes of runtime. It's like, really? What's the point of... So, if you have in turbo mode, for both 2 amp hours, that's less than 10 minutes, guys. That is insane. It should come with an 8 amp hour, the big boy, not 2 measly little 2s. It comes with the newer, smaller charger. This isn't very fast. It's only 45 watts, so it's really slow for a 2-amp charger. Now, the head of it is motorized. It's really, really slick. This thing's got some power. Let me show you up close here. It's this patented tangle-free technology. So what it is, let me show you in frame here. See this right here? It's like a little metal scraper, almost like, what's the word I'm looking for? You guys see that right there? Almost like a pet, like a lint brush scraper, the old style ones. And then it has the standard bristles. And here it has them, focus, right there. And then bristles, and then the middle. So it gives you a good, clean path. You can pop the switch just like most uprights. Pop this off, take it out, wash it, clean it up, no problem. The motor is right here. This thing's got some horsepower, let me tell you. Let me show you what the RPM says on it. I believe it says... I had to pull the box up. Sorry. Motor speed is 120,000 RPMs. So that thing's hauling. Now it says it has 34 CFMs of airflow. I don't know if that's a lot. 170 air watts. I don't know what an air watt is. And 26 kPAs. Kicking people's arses? I don't know what that means. Yeah, the dust collection is a half a liter. It weighs 5,000 pounds. I'm just kidding. It has HEPA filter, 2-in-1 cyclone technology, blah, 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 blah. It comes with this little stand, which is cool. Now, guys, if you're bored, go tell your wife to come watch me. Snaps on like this. Locks in place. This is pretty slick. Mount this on your wall, and then it just sits like that. I thought that was really slick. All right. What else here? So you get the main tube, you get the motorized head, and then you get this behemoth. Now, here's the weird thing about it. See how the handle is shaped? You have to hold this down in order for it to work. And it's very sensitive. So if you let go just a little tiny bit, it instantly shuts off. This should be shaped like a D handle, not this curve, because it really kind of cramps your hand up when you're using it, when it's down like this. See, that's not a natural position. I mean, it hangs okay. The battery doesn't affect the weight at all. It's all the weight is right here. This is the heavy part right here. So that is auto. That's turbo. And eco. Who wants eco? You gotta have it on turbo. Anyways, one other thing I thought was pretty slick. Hit this button right here, and it just pops open and dumps. Whoop. We don't turn it on. Pops it open, and then you can twist this and pull out all the filters and wash it all out and clean it. Like that. That's really cool. I like the hands-free dump. It's like that. That's what she said. Grow up. Really? Mature? Really? We're doing fart jokes? All right. Now, we're going to do a clip of me vacuuming my basement. Don't mind. It's the kids' play area. It's a disaster. I'm going to put down some goldfish. We'll suck them up. Let me tell you. This thing has the most suction power I've ever tested at any vacuum cleaner. More than a Dyson. Like right now I have Shark. Shark I feel like is the best vacuum cleaner for your money. Is Shark vacuum cleaner. This thing blows that out of the water. It pulled up dirt that was in my carpet. I didn't even know it was there. And I got a fairly new Shark. This thing has the most suction power I've ever seen in a vacuum cleaner ever. It's fairly comfortable to use, except for you have to hold this stupid thing down. And if you let it go, it takes a second for the motor to ramp back up again. So, pros. Incredible suction. No touching the dustbin release type of filter. No clog technology, I guess. So that's 4. Now, cons, price. This much. It's just the sticker shock. It's like buying a Dyson. It's like, seriously? They should throw 8 in. 2 2s, it just boggles my mind. Sticker shock. The uncomfortable switch you have to hold down. That's 2. 3, if it stops, it takes a second to ramp back up again. That's another con. What else? The runtime. 4 minutes is insane. Out of a 4 amp hour battery, I got 11 minutes. So take it with as you will. I don't know. I used up 1 4 amp hour and 2 2s. That's as much as I've vacuumed so far with it. I mean, it works well if you only vacuum for 4 minutes. It was enough for me to clean half my living room. You know. All right, let's roll the clip of me. I'll show you the carpet. It has so much suction when you go backwards with it. It lifts the carpet up. Not just, oh, my carpet's bad. Any carpet in the whole house, it's crazy. Like, I've never seen a vacuum cleaner like this before, ever. Dysons don't do that. Anyways, roll the clip. All right, guys, I just want you to listen to the head as it's on auto mode, right? So we're on the hardwood floor. Now listen. See how it ramps up? So that's kind of cool. Now listen, I'll put it on eco mode. Big ball of styrofoam. So it picks up. Now look at the carpet when it draws back. Look at how it sucks up the carpet. That is insane. See the streak? So it cleans the carpet super well. Yes, I know my carpet's bad. I got little kids. I got 4 kids. What do you expect? Now watch the lines it leaves in the carpet from the amount of suction. Yeah, see that? It actually lifts the carpet up a little bit. It's crazy. So, and also, now watch. I let go, and then it takes a minute for it to ramp back up again. And now you hear it? Now listen. Come on. Yeah, hear it? So phenomenal suction power. You guys see the lines in the carpet like that? Yes, I know most vacuums do that also, but it doesn't lift the carpet up off the ground. It's hard to show. So that's one of the pros on this thing. Wicked, wicked suction. I mean, I pulled dirt out of this nasty carpet that I didn't know I had. So there you go. And just that little bit, I am down 1 bar. Down to 1 bar. I recovered up to 2. Yeah, 2 bars. There you go, guys. Hope you like that quick little video of the Kobalt brushless upright stick vac. I don't know what you want to call it. 5 cons, 4 pros. The price and the runtime, guys, I'm neutral on it. I don't recommend it, and I don't hate it. It's very, like if they did the Gen 2 and they redid this handle a little bit and made the runtime a little bit more, 100%, and brought the price down to about $100, where it should be. 100% all the way. But because of the price and the runtime, we're neutral. It's a really cool concept, but unless you have a couple extra $100 to throw away on an upright stick vac, yeah, it's kind of a budget pincher. You're like, oh my gosh. So, by itself, bare tool is only $180. The kit is what's expensive. Yeah, there you go, guys. Stick around. I got lots of good videos coming out. Trying to hit that 20,000 subscribers before Thanksgiving. I'm going to do a big giveaway, big to me at least. Like I said in my last video, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not going to say it again. So, subscribe. 79% of you guys are not subscribed. What the hell? Come on, I've been doing this shit for 6 years. Subscribe to Al already. The original OG impact driver tester. Here, you want the truth? This is the channel you want it. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. Like, it's the best tool. Until it's going to suck if it sucks. You know? So, with that being said, stay safe. Thank you. I'm very humbled that you guys watching my channel. I never thought this would even go this far. It started as a joke. Now look at me 6 years later with almost 20,000 subscribers. Thank you. See ya. Yeah.